Namaste viewers and welcome to my channel Gyan Cafe. This is the first episode in the PF Gyan series where I will be explaining to you on how to generate your UAN number for PF purposes by a new employee. First, let us understand what is PF and why do we need to save money in our PF account. As you can see in this picture, this retired couple are drawing from their life savings in PF for their daily requirements, as there is no other source of income thereafter for most of them. In other words, Bhavishya Nidhi or Provident Fund is a fund created to build a sizable corpus to be utilized after the retirement of an individual to meet the basic expenses as he does not have a regular income stream thereafter. Now, let us move to the next screen to understand what is UAN. The full form of UAN is Universal Account Number, introduced by EPFO effective 1st October 2014. Obtaining UAN is compulsory for all subscribers of the Provident Fund. It is a unique number which remains unchanged throughout the career of a PF subscriber. Each time you change your job, all you need to do is provide your UAN to your new employer. All your job changes, that is, your overall career moves, will be recorded at one place because your UAN is nothing but a central database of all your employers and your past employment. But this will only be visible to employee and no one else. Now we shall quickly go through the benefits of UAN. You can view the latest updated PF balance online. You will start receiving electronic SMS updates regularly as soon as your PF contribution is remitted by your employer to EPFO. PF claim settlements could be done online without the employer's intermediation. Members can give a missed call to get details about their PF account. Extremely friendly online applications for all EPFO services such as advances, transfers, etc. Transfer of PF process is online during job changes by linking UAN. PF transfer from erstwhile employer could be initiated online. Now we shall learn how to generate UAN by an employee who has newly joined an organization and who has not worked in any other establishment earlier and is not having a UAN number. Firstly, I would suggest you to use Mozilla Firefox browser. Now, you will need to enter this link which you can see on the screen. This link is available in the description below. This will lead you to UAN members eSeva portal as shown below. In this screen, please click on the link which is highlighted on the bottom right hand side, that is direct UAN allotment by employees. Before we go ahead, you need to keep ready the following three things. First, your Aadhaar linked mobile number. Second, scanned PDF file of your Aadhaar card, the file size of which should be less than 2 MB. And thirdly, your employer's establishment code number, which is a 15-digit alphanumeric number. You need to obtain it from your office HR. Once you click on the link highlighted on bottom right, this screen will appear. In this screen, enter your 10-digit Aadhaar linked mobile number and enter the CAPTCHA and click on Generate OTP button. This will give you a new screen on your browser. Once you submit, you will go to next screen which looks like this. Here, tick the Yes option and submit. Here in employer category, from the drop down menu, select the first option as you can see on my screen. Now enter the establishment ID which you obtained earlier without slash or hyphen. Now if you don't know your establishment ID, you can find out from the EPFO website, which I will be explaining in a separate video. Here, click on the search box and the details of your establishment will automatically appear on the screen. Please verify the same and enter your date of joining and select on identity proof, preferably Aadhaar. Enter ID number and upload the document and click submit. In this screen, enter your Aadhaar number and CAPTCHA. Once you enter the OTP, you will be allotted a unique new UAN number which should be used for all PF purposes. For any further queries, kindly post them in the comment section below and I will be happy to answer them. If you like this presentation, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends for their benefit. Thank you.